Let's consider a force given by 150 newtons in the x direction or the I hat direction. Let's assume that it is acting at a point R given by 1.2 meters in the x direction and 1.2 meters in the j direction, no, in the k direction. What will be the torque created by this force? Now the torque, if you remember, the definition of the torque is R cross F, or the position vector is 1.2 meters in the I direction, 1.2 meters in the k direction, cross product. The force is 150 newtons in the I hat direction. Now we can just distribute this cross product over this sum. So we have 1.2 meters in the I direction multiplied by 150 newtons in the I direction. But note that I cross I is already 0. So there's 0 from the product of these two terms. Then we have the product of this vector and this vector. Here we have the k hat unit vector, here the I hat unit vector. Their cross product is in the j direction, and 1.2 meters times 150 newtons is 180 meters Newton. So you see that the torque is 180 meters Newton, and it's pointing in the positive y direction.